My name is Stephen Pepe. I'm the digital marketing leader for the GE Water division based out of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. Ongoing feedback is an interesting one because customers aren't always willing to share it directly with the supplier, especially if they think the relationship was either gone bad or done well. So win-loss analysis is one of the tougher things that we do, and we have to go around sales to do it. So the sales team owns the relationship with the customer, but if you ask sales to be a part of that win-loss, you're going to lose, you're going to get some bias in your feedback. So we look for any chance we can to introduce ourselves to customers directly from marketing as almost an ombudsman, someone who's there to really make sure the relationship went well, share feedback, be as blunt as you can with us, and we'll try to make it better for you going forward. I think the key for us was when we got started with digital marketing, it can be perceived as a threat to the field sales force and what they do. So finding a way to meet them and hopefully solve a big pain point of theirs early. Build up some equity with the sales team so you earn a runway to perform some different digital marketing tactics in the future. With us, that meant some of the lead qualification that we did. Previously, we would send almost any lead we had, we'd just forward it to their inbox immediately. And a simple step was do some upfront pre-qualification so that they could trust the incoming quality a little bit more, and that bought us some equity to do some other things. I think you can actually put them together sometimes. You can hold thought leadership events and release thought leadership content that can still engage them, perhaps get them to subscribe or want to hear more, and set the table for a month or two down the road to hit them with a soft offer or something that might then produce leads for you. You don't have to necessarily do the same thought leadership and lead gen at the exact same time with the same campaign, but reuse some of the content you put into the thought leadership into nice snackable pieces that could be perhaps distributed a few months later with a soft offer, but one that certainly takes some time to kind of build up the trust for. I know one thing that I am excited about, it's a small step, but I think a critical one, is B2B buyers trust the recommendation of the people around them. And when we did our buyer's journey, many of them said, I talk to my peers first, folks I work with, folks in the same industry as me. And while search is important, and search will always be a key part of how you get on their radar, also that ratings and reviews part that we see so much in our consumer lives, in Amazon, Yelp, hotel searches, things like that, why can't that be there for a very large B2B purchase? If they could see proof points, we always think of case studies when it comes to ratings, show me that somebody else really likes it, but LinkedIn, for instance, we can recommend other people that we worked with. How long until we can recommend products that we've used on that same platform? I think that's an interesting evolution for B2B marketing.